Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz, and in today's short little video, I'm going to give you 6 of the most important free tools I use for my printable and KDP business. They are by far the easiest ways I know to earn online passively. As a matter of fact, I haven't been putting out as many videos onto this channel like I should. Sorry for that, because I've been very busy with my printables and KDP books, because I think, number one, they're fun to make and they earn for you online if you know how to position yourself correctly in the market. Okay, also, before you watch this entire video, and it's really short, it's really concise, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out, and it helps to promote what I teach. If you find it valuable, it helps promote what I teach to more and more people. Okay, with that out of the way, let's begin the video. Okay, so before I begin, make sure to check out the link below and learn how I profit online with printables. And also, just for signing up, you're gonna get my template plus my traffic software just for joining. Okay, now let's begin. Number one, this one I come to almost every day, is PDF to image. Okay, PDF to image basically does what it says. Okay, you just drag and drop your PDF file right in here, and you click the download all, and it's gonna turn all your PDF files into images. Now, why on earth would you want to do that? Well, for me, it's Pinterest traffic. I love Pinterest traffic, and if you're new to my channel, you might not know that about me, but Pinterest is an amazing traffic source. Very easy, in my experience, in my opinion, compared to the other sources of traffic I've gotten. Pinterest has been and continues to be the easiest. Okay, you can send it anywhere you want too. It's really cool. Okay, so you can turn your PDF books, KDP books, your printables that you've created, I don't know, maybe with crispy prints or whatever, and you drop them in here and they turn into images. It's easy, simple, and you can use those images as Pinterest pins. Okay, that's why I love PDF to image. Again, I'll have links to all of these different tools down below, so make sure you check that out. Okay, next up, Canva. Okay, Canva takes the second spot because I've built an entire business on Canva. It's amazing. I don't know I don't know how many years ago. I don't know when I found Canva. I used to outsource on Fiverr, and that worked as well. But this is way. I still use just the free version on Canva. This is way cheaper, right? It costs nothing compared to outsourcing the work to someone. And with Canva, primarily nowadays, I just use it to make KDP books. But back in the day, before I created Crispy Prints, I was using it for both printables and KDP books. Now, Canva is still a great tool I use for ads. I create ads with it, and sometimes I'll create Pinterest pins with it. I have my own way of creating Pinterest pins, but that's a whole different topic. It's not part of this video, but basically, I use Canva these days to create ads for Google and to create my KDP books. I can't recommend Canva enough. It's an amazing resource. I can create 3 or 4 different videos around this tool alone. It's an amazing way to create products that you can sell online. You can even create videos with Canva. Okay. Next one is Pixabay. Pixabay is not the only public domain image resource around, but it's one of the oldest ones. It was recently purchased by Canva, and I gotta make a little caveat here. A really important thing to remember. So let me show you something. If I put in bunny, and usually you go to bunny, and you go to the image section here, and you go to illustration. I usually use illustrations because they're easier to work with. And let me select this bunny here. Okay. Now you got to remember, you always want to look at the license rights here. Free for commercial use, no attribution required. These days, however, you got to look for one more piece of information. You want to scroll down here, and you want to make sure the publish date is before January 19th. Okay, before January 19th. January 19th marks the beginning of the deal between Canva and Pixabay when Canva purchased outright purchase Pixabay. Okay, now you can get into some legal gray area after January 19th. Before January 19th, it's all fair game, and you can say a large percent, 90% and over of the images on Canva were published before January 19th. So a lot of the times you don't have to worry, but you always want to check this little section right here and this little section right here before you go on and download and use it in your assets, in your KDP books, in your printables. Really important to remember. Okay, next one, number 4. This is connected to PDF to image. This is combined PDF. Combine PDF. So you want to combine PDF into a book. I use this exclusively for my KDP books. I use this just for my KDP books. So I might go to Canva and create the book here, the meaty part of the book, right? The actual content. But I also might add an intro and an outro to my book. And then when I'm done creating those, I add those PDFs here, and I'll combine it all into one solid book that I can then from here go ahead and upload to Amazon KDP. Right, really important stuff. Okay, so this highly recommended combined PDF. Next one here, I don't use that much, but why is it here? Well, it's because I created my own tool for this. It's called my Pin Keyword Finder. Okay, it's this tool right here, and let me show you. But if you don't want if you don't want my free tool for whatever reason, I recommend Keyword Tool. Okay, let's say I put in Bible games about something, and you can see here Bible games about Moses, Bible games about love, Bible games about Elijah, about the Bible, games about the Bible, and so forth. If I actually take this keyword, this long tail keyword, and plop it into my Pin Keyword tool, you get the same results basically. Bible games about love, Bible games about Elijah, Bible games about faith. And I find my tool much easier to use because you don't have to go to another website. You can just use it on the Google Chrome browser. Very useful, very easy to use. Again, if you want this, just make sure you sign up down below, and I'll send it to you very soon. If not, if you don't want to sign up with me, by all means, you just use keywordstool.io. Okay. Now, the last tool I use, you might not think of it as a tool, but I see it as an amazing tool, is Etsy. Actually, I should add Amazon as well. Amazon KDP. I'm on Amazon.Japan right now. But Amazon as well as Etsy, I guess this is a list of 7 really, Etsy and Amazon, but they really serve the same purpose, and that's for market research. Listen, the truth of the matter is, I'm not a creative person. All of my success with Printables and Amazon comes from, Printables and KDP comes from what's already selling. Okay, I just try to improve on what people are already selling. It's all I do. I'm not there reinventing the wheel, as they say. I just look and say, hey, wow, they're doing this. While they're doing that, this is popular now. I'm gonna see if I can improve upon it. So let's say maybe I use the more strategy. So if there's a printable bundle of 12, I'm going to create 12 plus a banner, for example. That increases the value by adding more. Or I might refine a game, or I might refine a book. It really depends on what's selling now. Find out what people are complaining about, and you wanna plus it. You wanna improve upon it. So for example, if I put in Bible games in Etsy or whatever niche you're interested in, you can get a bird's eye view of what's selling. Check out this printable. It's at number 2. Was this an ad? Was this an ad? No, it's not an ad. It's an actual listing. Okay, $7.89 for a printable 3. I might up the game and add more printables. Of course, I'm going to design something similar. I don't want to straight up duplicate this design, but I want to design similar to this one and create my printables. Okay. Again, all you got to do is one up the other person, okay? And let me tell you right now, if you're just listening, being a product vendor is 100 times better than being an affiliate, okay? Listen, affiliate marketing is great. I'm nothing against affiliate marketing. I do affiliate marketing, but being a product vendor is way better because you don't have to share with the profits, okay? And being a digital product vendor is even better because I used to drop ship diaper cakes, and let me tell you, that's a whole
that's a whole different mess, okay? Drop shipping or sending physical products through the mail. You don't want to deal with that, trust me. A lot of successful drop shippers will tell you it's a hard gig, okay? But selling digital products is the best way to go. Printables, again, I can't stress enough how great Printables has been in my life. And I can't stress enough how Amazon is slowly becoming, Amazon KDP is becoming a really great source of income for me in these past couple of years, okay? So, again, a nice little quick list of the 6 most important tools I use. PDF to image, okay? For turning your PDF files into images that you can later use as Pinterest pins. Canva for 1001 reasons. Okay, you can create printables the slow way if you want. You can create KDP books on Canva. You can create ads. You can create videos on Canva, kinda. Pixabay, because you can get free images. Again, anything before January 19th. Really important caveat. It usually has this Pixabay license. Okay, free for commercial use. No attribution required. You can use it any way you want. Okay. Again, combined PDF. When you're putting together your KDP book, you want to take the center, the meaty part of your book, and add an intro and outro. You want to combine them here. Okay. Really important stuff. Keywordtool.io. If for whatever reason you don't want to snag my Pinterest tool, which is 100% for free, you can get that down below. If you don't want to do that, just go to keywordtool.io and you have a plethora of different keywords you can choose from. Okay. For market research, again, Etsy is an amazing tool, and so is Amazon for these digital type of products. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you liked this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me. And if you just started your journey online and you're interested in learning how to profit with printables, make sure you hop on in below. Okay, be good, take care, and have a wonderful day.